I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a calculator page and immediately typing the equation. For example, type 3*x plus 5 equals 11. Once entered, make sure parentheses are balanced and variable names are consistent. You will use for exponents and slash for division so the software parses correctly. If your equation has multiple parts, separate them with commas when using solver functions. Now that the equation is visible, you are ready to call the solver command in the next step. Now use solve or nsolve depending on the problem type. Type solve 3*x plus 5 equals 11x to get exact symbolic answers. Once done, press enter and read the result. For nonlinear equations, use nsolve with a starting guess. Nsolve x2-2 1. Make sure to try different guesses if you expect multiple roots. You do this because nsolve searches numerically while solve attempts algebraic manipulation, so choose the method that fits your equation structure. Finally, verify solutions by substitution. Type equation. Subs x equals answer or evaluate left and right to confirm equality. Once done, simplify expressions first when solve fails, simplify both sides or isolate the variable, then retry. If nsolve returns an error, change the initial guess or use a different interval because numerical solvers depend on starting points. Remember the key troubleshooting tip. When you see no solution or unexpected output, check
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.